This is May 29th, and look what bloomed overnight right here. One of the hardy lilies that's in this flower bed. Here's some, they'll be probably blooming tomorrow. The poppies are all done, they'll be gone here pretty soon. Look at all this loosestrife. I just love this. And here's some roses over here. Look at them. I think they like it right here. These are miniature roses. And these are geraniums I just planted here last year, hardy geraniums. And this is hibiscus that's just coming up. They're woody. It gets me. They're woody, but every year they send up new stems that become woody as the year goes by. And the woody stems from last year don't do anything, so I just cut them down because they never grow again after 1 year. And this here bloomed overnight. This is a hardy geranium that I planted here last year as a bare root plant. And this is a hibiscus that's growing in there. And all these hardy lilies. Look at this iris over here. There's 2 of them. Look at that. How big those are. And this is catmint in here growing all over the place. There's peonies right there. There's some more loosestrife in here. I've planted it all over the place. And here's some columbine. I'm just pulling up some grass that grows in here. I think this is a daisy-like plant. It was blooming last year anyway. And here's some more columbine. Don't care a lot for that color though. These are daylilies. They'll be blooming before we know it. There's more loosestrife I planted out here. This is Solomon seal. And this is coral bells. Here's something I started from seed and planted here last year. If only I knew what it was. I don't like these things. They grow all over the place. This is the leaves right here for the coral bells. Here's these peonies. hardy geranium growing all over in here. And loosestrife and sweet William. It looks so nice together. There's the blue geraniums in the background, the hardy geraniums. This is brunnera, this is coral bells, and this is coral bells. They come in different colors of leaves. This is Astilbe, just getting ready to bloom. This is a hardy geranium that's all done blooming for this year. And this is another coral bells that's been here for many years. It's gotten nice and big over the years. This rhododendron's all done blooming. This is the second one, this white one, these white flowers. This is Easter rose, Lenten rose, whatever you want to call it. And the huge leaves on this hosta. Here was some seeds I planted last year and just left them here all winter. This is sweet William, it come back, and I'm not sure what this is that came back. And here's some columbine that came back. I need to come out here and get the weeds out of here. Like I say, this is the weed, and this is the weed. That's a weed. It's like a walnut tree. Looks like a little sweet William. This looks like a daffodil. Looks like a daffodil. I don't know what this is. This is a rose and clematis. We got the garden all planted. Got a lot of seeds left over though. And here's a bunch of seeds I planted last year. Oh, these are wild phlox. I always wanted to have some wild phlox. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful? I just love them. I don't know what these little blue flowers are. I'm sure there's lots of them though. And this is a California poppy blooming away. I should put some irises in this row right here. I already got a couple of them. dig up the ones out front. I don't think the ones out front are doing well because it's so crowded out there with all the daylilies mostly. I should dig up a lot of the daylilies, just get rid of them. Well, here's some columbine. Keeps coming back every year. Oh, look at these roses. This is a blazed climbing rose. Smells very good. And this is clematis all over this arch here. Look at this guy. All this clematis. The size of those blooms. Okay, well, I hope you like my garden and my flowers. My garden mostly flowers. But if you did, can you please subscribe to my channel? I'd really appreciate it. And if you can, thanks a lot. And I will see you next time. And goodbye.